divides the plane into two parts, either to the left or right, above the line or below the line. Okay. So write the question. Solve graphically. Solve graphically. So in last class we discussed when one line is given, how to draw the graph. And if one inequality is given, and we are determining which is the region. Okay. Now suppose, let us take, suppose two equations or two lines are given. How to do this? Solve graphically under that first one. X plus y less than or equal to 6. X plus y less than or equal to 6 and x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. Now what you have to do when you are given two or more, suppose whenever you are given two equations or three equations, method is same. Okay, what you have to do, we have to find out the region. We have to find out the region which satisfies this given inequalities. So for this, you take the first inequality. Suppose I'm taking x plus y less than or equal to 6. I'm equating it to 6 and find the solution set. Find the solution set. If three equations are given, find the solution set for the three equations. Okay, so here take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. I'm finding the solution set. When x is 0, y is 6. When y is 0, x is 6. Is it correct? Is it okay, children? Now take the second one. X plus y is equal to 4. For that, what will be the solution set? When x is 0, y is 4. And y is 0, x is 4. When x is 0, y is 4. And y is 0, x is 4. Now, after finding the solution set, we have to plot these points graphically. So I'm drawing the axis. So look at here, x minimum value we want 0 and maximum is 6. So I'm going to take 1 units itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Based on the solution set, you can fix the scale. Look at here, for y also we need from minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 6. So here also I'm going to take 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, take the first one. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. And y is 0, x is 6. Now, listen, children. Listen, children. Here it is less than or equal to. If it is less than or equal to, then we can draw a symbol. Otherwise, you have to draw the, if it is strict inequalities, there means you have to draw the dotted line. Now listen, 1 second, don't write. Now listen, all of you, keep your pen down, sit straight and listen. But if you understand this one, you can do it easily. Up to this, is it okay? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, Punya. What about the others? Naureen, Achyut, Rijaz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have drawn only the first line. Okay, we have to select the region. We have to select the region. Is it below this line or above the line? How will you select the region? You select a point which is not part. Okay, you select a point in this region. I'm taking the point origin. If whenever origin is there, means you can substitute origin. It is easy for understanding. So when you put origin 0, 0, and you put in this equation x plus y less than or equal to 6. But the 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 6. 0 less than or 6. Is it correct? Is it satisfying?
Yes.
Yes. So the region is below. Okay. So I'm just giving a single line only. Okay. Just for your understanding, which you using your pencil, you can draw a line and put an arrow mark. That is for your understanding. This is below the, for this line, this is below the line. The region is below this line. Now take the next one. X is 0, y is 4. Okay. X is 0, Y is 4. So when X is 0, Y value is 4. So this is the point. And the next one is 4, 0. 4, 0. Here also we have strict, it is greater than or equal to. Equal to symbol is there. So I'm drawing a straight line. Now we have to find the region. We have to find the region. So how will you find the region here? You take the inequality, x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Okay, you take the origin because below the line we have origin. Okay, you substitute this and check. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4. The 0 is greater than or equal to 4. Is it true?
No.
No, it is false, isn't it? So this is false. It is not possible. So the region is, okay, the region is above this line because the point over here is not satisfying this condition. Okay, the point 0, 0 is not satisfying. So only those points above the line. Is it clear? So here it is below the line, here it is above the line. So what is the common region we will get? What is the common region you will get? It is the common region you will get here. For this one, it is below. And for the second one, it is above. So this is your common region. So only that region you have to shade it. So this is our solution set. Is it clear, Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
For the first line, the region is below. Okay, it is below this line. For the second one, for the green line, it is above. So what is the common portion? So this part only, this is the only part common to both. So this is our solution set. So this region you have to shade it. This is our solution set. This is how we find the region for inequalities. Is it okay, Ashwin? Surely one question will be asked from this part. This is very important part. Next year also we need. Next year we need the same concept. Next year we have linear programming. There we will be using this graph part. Rijas, is it okay? Rijas, any doubts? Alvin?
Okay.
Do this in graph paper, okay? You can select the scale accordingly. Shall we do the next one? Is it over? Achyut, is it over? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can do the next question. Solve graphically. Solve graphically. I'm going to increase the number of equations. Again, the previous class we did with one equation. Now we did with two. Next is three equations. Right. Solve graphically. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y less than or equal to 3. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. Okay. So first thing what you have to do? You take the equality and find the solution set. X plus y is 0. Find the solution set. X plus y is 3. What is the solution set? Two x minus 3y is equal to 6. Find the solution set. is 4. So for the first one, what is the solution set? If you put x is 0, y is 4, isn't it? When y is 0, x is 2. Is it correct? Then for the next one, when x is 0, y is 3. Y is 0, x is 3. Again, the next case, when x is 0, y is 2 minus 2. When y is 0, x is 3. When y is 0, x is 3. Is it okay? Is it okay, children? Finding the solution set up to this, is it okay? Is it clear? Is it okay? Emmanuel, Naureen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next step, we draw the graph. Okay, drawing the graph. I'm going to select the scale based on the values we are getting here. I'm going, okay, just go through the x values. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 3. So I'm taking 0, 1, 2. Accordingly, you can select the scale. Okay, if you want, you can take two boxes and you can take it as 1 unit. It's left to you. Again, look at your next y. Minimum value is -2 and maximum I want 4. So here y value I need -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. X dash. Now, when you are drawing the lines, children, draw the lines one by one and find the region. Don't draw all the points. Don't plot all the points together and don't do the mistakes. You take the first one, plot the points, draw the line, find the region. Then take the next line. Okay, like that you practice. Okay, how we are doing in the class. Okay. Otherwise, the common mistake, this is easy one, but what you will do, you will plot all the points. You don't know which 2 points to be joined and you will be doing a mistake. So you take the first one. So first one, what is given? When x is 0, y is 4. And when x is 2, 0. And it is greater than or equal to. So we can join this by the line. And you select the region. Is it below the line or above the line? Is it below the line or above the line? Tell me, children. Which is the region here? Is it below or above? Srihari, after drawing the line, tell me.
Above the line.
Above the line. Why it is above the line? Why? When you put the origin,
Because greater than 4.
0 is greater than 4 is not possible. So I'm just drawing a single line. Okay, you can use your pencil, use sharp pencil. Just put an arrow for your understanding. Okay, we understood here. The region is above. Now take the next one. X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. So x is 0, y is 3. And x is 3, 0. Here also we have equal to, so you can join with a single line. Now here also you check what is the condition you will get. Is it above the line or below the line? Yes, what is the answer? Is it above the line or below the line? So this is the equation, isn't it? When you substitute the origin. 0 plus 0, is it less than or equal to 3?
Yes.
Yes. That means this one is below the line, isn't it? Below the line. Just put a single arrow. Now take the next one. The next one, when x is 0, y is minus 2. Then, when x is 3, y is 0. So and here also we have equal to symbol, so I'm joining it by a single line. And here also you can check by substituting. Substitute the origin and check. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. When you substitute it, what you will get? So when you put 0, 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 6. So 0 less than or equal to 6. Is it true? Achud?
Yes, ma'am.
So what about the region? What you will get? Is it above the line or below the line?
Above.
Above the line, isn't it? So above this line. So look at here, we want this above. So above this means this part. Here for this below, and this one above. So which is the region you will get in common? Which is the region you will get?
The triangular region.
The triangular region. So this is the region. Okay, shade it. Shade that one. So this is our region. This bounded by these 3 lines. This is our record region. So this is our record region, children. Is it okay? Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
For the exam, you have to do it in graph paper. So keep graph paper ready. Don't do it in the answer sheets. You have to do it in graph paper. So next one. Next one. X plus y less than or equal to 6. Y greater than x. X greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than x. X greater than or equal to 0. So first find the solution sets. So first you take the equality here, isn't it? You can take the equality. So I'm taking x plus y is equal to 6 and find the solution sets. When x is 0, y is 6, y is 0, x is 6. Now here also you take equality. Y is equal to x. So y is 1, x is 1, y is 2, x is 2. Next one is x is greater than 0. What is meant by x is greater than 0? X is greater than 0 means, what does it mean, children? X is greater than 0. Suppose this is our x-axis. X is greater than 0 means what do we, which part you will get? With this part, isn't it? This is the case where you will get positive x-axis. So if it is given greater than or equal to 0, no need to find the solution set. Just to understand, only this part only you have to consider. This part we will not consider. Okay. Now, once you find the solution sets, you are going to draw the graph. Okay. So go through the x value. Minimum is 0, maximum is 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at the y values. Y also maximum we need 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now draw the line. When x is 0, y is 6. When x is 6, y is 0. So plot join these 2 points. Before that you check, is it strict inequality or not? Okay, now we have to select the region. Which is the region? Gauri, can you give me the region? Yes, Gauri?
Below.
Below, isn't it? When you substitute 0, 0, so this region is below. Now take the next one. For the next one, I'm going to draw the next graph. When x is 1, y is 1. This is the line. When x is 2, y is 2. So when you join this, you'll be getting a line passing through the origin. Listen, children. Now listen. When you draw the line, we are getting, and here it is strict inequality. So you have to draw dotted lines only. Okay, you have to draw the dotted lines. Now it is passing through the origin. So in this case, to find the region, I can't substitute 0, 0. If I substitute 0, 0, it will get satisfied. 0 is greater than 0. Okay, so we can't substitute this point 0, 0. Then what you can do? You take next point. Suppose consider this point. What is this point here? It lies on x-axis. So on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So you can substitute 1, 0. And you can check. You can substitute 1, 0. So when x is 1 and y is 0, 0 is greater than 1. Is it true?
No.
No. Is it clear, children, why I am selecting this point 1, 0? Because the line is passing through the origin. So if I substitute the point 0, 0, we will not get. Okay. So you have to select the point through which the line is not passing. So I am selecting the point 1, 0. If I substitute 1, 0, x is 1, y is 0. When you substitute it, it is not satisfying. So the region is above this line, not below. Now look at the next case when x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0 means either the first quadrant or fourth quadrant. So that means here it is in the first quadrant. So which is the region you will get here? Which is the region you will get here? Common region. So this is our common region. Below this green line, above the red line, and in the first quadrant. So this is our region. Is it okay? Aditya, yes, Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, what did we do with x greater than or equal to 0?
X greater than or equal to 0 means what does it mean? Where you will get x greater than or equal to 0? Look at the x-axis. Only x values are there, isn't it? So where you will get, is it to the left of origin or to the right of origin? X takes values greater than 0. That means this is origin
Right.
to the right. So that means either you'll be getting first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Is or no? So now look at the line where these lines are lying. Above this line you want, isn't it? Above this line. If I take this region means it will get below. Here it is above this line. So above the line means you will get the region in the first quadrant. Is it clear? Is it okay, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
Just for selecting the quadrants. Whenever you are given x greater than 0, y greater than 0 means that is for the selecting the quadrants. Nia, is it clear, Nia? Nia. Okay. Michael, any doubt? Is it okay regarding how to draw this? Okay. Now shall we do the next one? Write the next one. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10. X plus y greater than or equal to 1. X plus y greater than or equal to 1. X minus y less than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, this means it is for fixing the quadrants. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means what does it mean, children? X is positive, y is positive. That means which quadrants?
First.
First. Okay. So, okay, this one we have learned in 9th standard. If you take first quadrant, both x and y will be positive. In second quadrant, it is x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, both are negative. In fourth quadrant, plus minus. This is the format you will get. Okay, so we have to find the solution set for the first three. So find the solution set. X plus 2y is equal to 10. Find the solution set. Similarly, for the next one, x plus y is equal to 1. Find the solution set. Then x minus y is 0. Again, find the solution set. So what is the solution set here? When x is 0, y is 5. When y is 0, x is 10. When x is 0, y is 1, y is 0. Is it correct, Dia? Dia, is it correct?
Ma'am.
Okay, so next we draw the graph. So x we want from up to 10 you want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. X dash. And y we want up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now find the, draw the first graph. When x is 0, y is 5. And when x is 10, y is 0. So your line passes through this. And find the region. Okay, do it. Do it. So for the first one, is it below the line or above the line? Nandana.
Below the line.
Okay, below the line. For the second one, when x is 0, y is 1. So we'll be getting a line. So for the second one, is it below or above? Atul,
Above.
above. Okay. For the third one, I think the third one passes through the origin, isn't it? Keep it in mind, whenever no constant term, a line will pass through the origin. X is 2, y is 2, x is 3, y is 3. So for this line, Rijas, is it above the line or below the line? Is it above the line or below the line? Rijas.
Below the line.
Below the line. Is it correct? Is it below the line? Which point you selected here? So which point you selected here, Rijas?
So no, above the line.
Which point you selected? Tell me. Have you checked it?
0, 1.
0, 1. Okay, you selected 0, 1. X is 0, y is 1. So when you substitute it here, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So the condition is true. That means this is the region, isn't it? So above this, below this, and above this means which one will be a region? So it is bounded by these 3 lines, isn't it? That is our region. This is our region. Is it correct, Michael? Are you getting this answer, Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with this linear inequalities chapter is over.
Ma'am,
Yes, Punya.
for that small region in second quadrant.
We will not get because that part is, which one you are asking? Small, this one. I'll shade with another color. I'll tell you. Small region. So this one and all we will not get, children. Okay, this one and this one will not get because above the line you
No,
want.
ma'am, not that.
Ah,
0, 4.
0, 4. X is 0, Y is 4. So this full region I select shading
No,
here.
on the left of that region.
This is not the triangle. Okay, this is not the triangle. We'll not get triangle here. We'll not be getting a bounded region here.
Okay, ma'am.
Below this line, above this line, and above this one. So all these things will meet only within this part only. All the conditions will be satisfied here. The common part is.
Ma'am, so bounded line is compulsory.
No, in some cases you will get unbounded.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Achut.
ma'am, are we choosing it only from the first quadrant because x and y must be greater than or equal to 0?
Here it is given x and y is greater than 0. So we are selecting it from the first quadrant. Because it is given x and y greater than 0, we are selecting in the first quadrant. If that condition is not given, means you will get an, okay, you will be getting a region like this. The whole thing will come. Above this,
Okay, ma'am.
below this, and above this means you will get the whole thing. But here, the condition is given as x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than. So we are concentrating only in the first quadrant. Is it okay, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, children. With this, our portions are over. So for you, start preparing for your annual exam. In the next period, I'll be giving the question paper pattern. We will be discussing about the question paper pattern. 2 days back, I sent one case study booklet. Did you go through it? Yes. Okay, children. I end the session now. Next period, we'll be discussing the question paper pattern and we'll be discussing some case studies. Thank you.